Alright everyone, we are one spot away from filling this after here. So let's get this a winner, huh? We are live. 9:05. 9:05. List here. 10 entries. Bruno on the top, Mark on the bottom. 2 dice. Need 5 or higher. 8 times at 9:05. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 times, you got Michael on the top. You must go 8. Good luck at 9:06. Come on. 9:06. Last and final roll. Top spot advances to the second to last spot in the main. Congratulations goes to spot 9, Pete. Congratulations, Pete. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We are done at 9:06. 9:06. Congratulations, Pete. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. One more to go.